Home security is one of the top priorities for Redmond homeowners, and while smart home systems and exterior lighting play important roles, nothing is more essential than a strong, properly installed entry door. The front door is your home's primary line of defense, and even the highest quality door will underperform if it isn't installed correctly. Professional entry door installation ensures that your door not only looks great but also delivers the maximum level of strength, durability, and protection. Here's how expert installation enhances home security for families throughout Redmond. A precise fit prevents forced entry. One of the most common entry points for intruders is a poorly fitted or poorly installed door. Gaps between the frame and the door make it easier for someone to pry, kick, or force their way in. Redmond homes, especially older properties, may have settling or shifting that causes door frames to become uneven, creating vulnerabilities. Professional installers ensure a tight, secure fit between the door and frame. Proper alignment to eliminate weak points. Reinforced frames that resist prying and leverage tools. Correct spacing to keep the door flush and stable. This precision creates a stronger barrier that makes forced entry significantly harder. Reinforced frames and hardware for better protection. A high-security entry door needs more than a tough slab. It requires a strong, expertly installed frame and hardware system. Many break-ins occur not because the lock was picked, but because the frame surrounding the lock gave way under pressure. Professional installers know how to reinforce critical areas to enhance protection. They ensure the strike plate is anchored deep into wall studs. Hinges are securely fastened with long, durable screws. Deadbolts align perfectly with the frame plate. The frame is square and resistant to bending or shifting. These reinforcements significantly improve the door's ability to withstand impact or forced entry attempts. Proper installation ensures locks work correctly. Even high-end locks can fail if the door sags, sticks, or is misaligned. Improper installation leads to locks that don't fully engage, leaving gaps that reduce security. Redmond's seasonal moisture and temperature changes can also cause doors to expand or contract if they aren't installed correctly. Professional installation ensures smooth locking and unlocking. Full engagement of deadbolts. Proper spacing to prevent lock failure. Longevity of the locking system. A properly aligned door means your security hardware performs exactly as intended. Prevention of air gaps that signal weak points. Security isn't just about strength, it's also about preventing vulnerabilities. Gaps around a door not only reduce energy efficiency but also make your home more susceptible to intrusion. These small openings can indicate loose installation or a shifting frame. Experts eliminate these weak points by installing high-quality weather stripping, ensuring flush contact between the door and frame, filling insulation gaps that may compromise structure, adjusting hinges and hardware for maximum stability. This creates a seamless barrier that contributes to both security and comfort. Proper material handling for maximum strength. Entry doors, especially steel, fiberglass, or solid wood models, must be handled carefully to maintain their structural integrity. Incorrect handling during a DIY project or amateur installation can lead to dents, cracks, or warping, weakening security and reducing lifespan. Professional installers handle the door safely from delivery to installation. Ensure no internal damage occurs during mounting. Use tools and techniques that maintain the door's full strength. Your investment stays protected, and your home receives the full benefit of a strong, durable entry door. Warranty protection and long-term security. Most door manufacturers require professional installation to maintain warranty coverage. A voided warranty leaves homeowners unprotected if issues arise later, including security-related problems. Professional installation guarantees compliance with manufacturer standards. Full warranty protection. Long-term performance backed by expert craftsmanship. This ensures security isn't just immediate, it lasts for years. Secure your Redmond home with expert door installation. A professional entry door installation is one of the simplest and most effective ways to improve your home's security. With reinforced frames, precise alignment, strong hardware, and expert handling, your new door becomes a powerful defense against intruders, while also improving energy efficiency and curb appeal. For Redmond homeowners who value safety, durability, and peace of mind, trusting experienced professionals is the key to getting the most from your new entry door.